Meniscus flap tear, which is inverted in the meniscotibial recess, a very rare pattern of injury, but traditionally this injury was treated with resection of the flap and just trimming of the edges. But now with recent evolution of rootfix anchors, these tears can be repaired into its position. So rootfix anchor is a retrograde anchor which is inserted into the knee, and this anchor can be used to repair these kind of flap tears. What we do here is we repair the flaps of the meniscus one by using knee scorpion instruments. What we do here is we pass the sutures one by one and try to repair these tears in a side to side pattern. So that will give us a lot of good repair techniques to restore the hoop stresses and to restore the alignment of the meniscus. So these techniques are particularly useful. You can do it in two techniques. You can do either a box stitch technique or using a root fix anchor, and this would lead to a very nice position of even these sort of bad root flap tears. And now we can see that even the tear was badly looking initially, but once we repair the tear, the flap usually comes back very nicely into its position and will suffice its function of meniscus, taking meniscus stresses. So this is the final repair that we can restore with this sort of a repair, and